Does your furniture look like it's still living back in your dorm room? You may need some help with furniture dimensions and selection. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. Roominess brings you straightforward steps to an inviting home. Furniture size issues can wreak havoc in our homes. So here are some things that you should be looking out for. Side tables and end tables that are either too short or too tall for your furniture can be both visually and practically problematic. End tables that are the same height as your furniture armrests make it easy to set down drinks, plates, etc. Similarly, a bedside table that's too small for your bed can end up looking like dollhouse furniture. A table the same height as your mattress will make an easy reach for books, glasses, or an alarm clock. And a 2-foot lamp on your table will be a perfect height for reading. When one piece of furniture is vastly oversized compared to the others, the room can often feel unbalanced. Furniture that has similar dimensions of seat and back height, as well as thickness of their armrests, will look balanced together. If you've crammed large-scale furniture into a small room, leaving little space for circulation, the effect can be claustrophobic. In this case, it's better to find smaller scale pieces of furniture that don't fill up every square inch of space. Blocking the bottom of your picture window with the back of your sofa is a waste of a good view in my book. Your book? Amazon has nothing under your book. Either find a sofa that fits comfortably below your picture window, or place 2 chairs there to highlight the eye-catching size of the window. Let's talk dining room furniture. But first, I want to let you know that you can find out more about furniture selection and arrangement in my new ebook, Guide to Attractive Furniture Arrangement. It's available over at Roominess.tv. Ebooks don't count. That's cheating. If you were worth printing, you'd have a publisher already. If you're putting together a new dining room set and your chairs have armrests, check the height of the armrests with the bottom of the table height. You don't want to hit your fingers or hands when you pull the chairs underneath. This is especially important when the chairs and table are purchased separately. The same idea goes when you're looking at a desk chair with arms and a new desk. For bar stools and dining room chairs, try to keep between 10 inches and 13 inches from the seat of the stool or chair to the table height. Anything shorter or taller will feel a little uncomfortable. There's a current trend to buy bar height tables for your dining room. If you have many older relatives who you're considering inviting over to dinner, they may appreciate it if you stick with a regular height dining table. To plan for circulation in your dining room, you probably want to have at least 36 inches, and some would say up to 48 inches of space all the way around your dining room table. That will leave room for people who are sitting at the table and for someone to walk behind. If your china hutch won't leave that much room behind your table, look to place it in an adjacent room where you can still access it. Always check the dimensions for the entire path to get a piece of furniture from outside your house to the place where you want it to sit. If you can't get your furniture from point A to point B, you'll be in a world of hurt. And again, you can find more tips on how to arrange furniture over in my Guide to Attractive Furniture Arrangement at Roominess.tv. Thanks for watching.